Welcome to Dr. Jalil Photography. I recently bought one iPhone 16 Pro Max and started using it as a photography camera on top of my other Sony cameras. But main purpose is to make my video during my photo shoot. There has been lots of pre-launching videos on the performance of camera and the improvement of camera, and I wanted to test those iPhone 16 Pro camera as vlog video camera. Today it was snowing in the morning, and I took this opportunity to take some slow motion video of snowflakes falling from the sky. And let me show you in this video how about the performance of slow motion video with iPhone 16 Pro Max. Please continue watching until the end. If you like my photography as well as macro photography in this channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon for my upcoming projects. Stay connected. Thank you for watching. Let's continue. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has significantly improved its slow motion video capabilities, making it one of the best in the market. And you can see on the left, you can very clearly see the snowflakes coming from the sky, falling slowly, which I cannot capture with my other mobile cameras. It can now record at 4K resolution and 120 frames per second natively, which is a huge leap from previous models. This allows for incredibly smooth and high quality slow motion footage. You can see on the left, I'm moving the camera left and right and capturing the slow motion video of falling snowflakes. It's incredible. Additionally, it offers a dedicated slow motion that can go up to 240 frames, providing even more flexibility for capturing fast moving actions. You can see on the left a car was running, and I could get a very clear, smooth picture, slow motion picture of these cars, moving cars. The camera's performance in low light condition is also impressive, capturing almost noise-free footage with high level of details. And you can see in this morning, it was early in the morning at 6 a.m. With a very low light condition because there was no sun during the snowfall. All these are taken in low light condition early in the morning. Overall, the iPhone 16 Pro Max slow motion video capabilities are a standout feature, making it an excellent choice for both casual users and professional videographers.